CBSE Class 10 Maths. In this exercise, we have 4 sums to be discussed, out of which third sum is a choose which has 4 subdivision, and fourth sum is a proving sum, that is where we will prove LHS equal to RHS. In the fourth sum, we have 10 subdivisions. We have already discussed all these 4 sums along with the subdivisions as part of our older edition. So this exercise comes under chapter 8, exercise 8.4 in the older edition. However, the older edition has one extra sum, that is the third sum of exercise 8.4. To be more precise, the third sum of exercise 8.4 has been removed as part of this new edition. So I am just tagging the link of the older edition, as well as I am just mentioning the same in the description. So whoever needs solution or needs to discuss this exercise as part of the new edition can refer to the link which I have tagged or mentioned in the description. That redirects to the older edition video. Discussing one sum extra is not a problem, but if you really want only the exact number of sums, then in the older edition, that is in exercise 8.4 of class 10, kindly ignore the third sum which has been removed as part of the newer edition. Other than that, the remaining sums of the older edition video, everything comes in the new edition as well.